All right, what's up, family? I know y'all probably been waiting for this one. I know y'all been waiting for this one. This week was crazy. We're gonna start off with a recap. I be telling y'all, I be trying to tell y'all, I'm different. I be trying to tell y'all, but we're gonna go through these recaps. We gonna see how this week went, man. And then we gonna kind of break down what we looking at for next week. As always, if y'all new, make sure y'all subscribe. Drop a comment down below to enter the free mentoring package giveaway, which I do every 5 weeks. Well, 8 weeks, but this week I'm doing it for 5 weeks. So literally in another 4 weeks, I'm gonna do another giveaway. We just did one this past Saturday. So drop a comment below to enter. Our free Telegram group is down below. That's where I put all the updates for all of these trades. Even the live streams midweek. We do free live streams where I drop more opportunity. All of this is free. All of this is free. So I'm giving y'all free money. So join up. All right. So let's go through this updates on everything this week. And then, yeah. Y'all, crazy week. Crazy week. Let's do it. All right. So Bitcoin. I don't know what's getting into me, bro. I called it all the way from up here, bro. All the way up here. I actually want to show y'all something. I want to show y'all how I be scaring myself real quick. Hold on. I got to show y'all this, bro. I want to show y'all Bitcoin from a few months ago. I want to show y'all how crazy I am in these markets. I called the whole damn move from the retracement all the way down. All right. So if you look at the chart, y'all. I'm going to put it on the weekly so y'all can see the exact same reference. I'm crazy with it. I'm telling y'all. I am crazy with it. There's nobody else on YouTube that's like me. It's just not. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm really like that, y'all. I'm really like that. Insane week. As y'all can see what Bitcoin is doing. We are going to be looking for a reaction out of this area. But I'll keep y'all updated on that. For this week, I don't have anything new. We're just going to keep continuing to let that kind of break down towards the downside. Last week, DXY. All of this I dropped for y'all on Saturday. And I gave y'all updates midweek on Wednesday. Again, make sure y'all subscribe. Turn y'all's bell notifications on so y'all don't miss out on any YouTube drops. I gave y'all this right from Sunday open. And I gave y'all EURUSD sniper entry. Look at this. I told y'all exactly what it was going to do. Boom. This is crazy, y'all. I am really starting to I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. I prayed so long, y'all, for this. So many days, bro. So many hours in front of this computer, bro. And now I'm finally here, bro. This shit is nothing. Nothing. Another one. EURUSD. Look at the entry. Look at the entry, bro. I gave this to y'all. Insane, bro. Another one. GBP USD. Another one. Another one. I dropped this midweek. Another one. USD CHF from a few weeks ago. Well, not even a few weeks ago. I think last week and this week. Last week, the movement was from down here. Go back and watch the previous YouTubes. I don't make nothing up. Go back and watch the previous YouTubes. Boom. This week, I think, what was it? When did I do the live stream? I think yesterday, day before. I showed y'all this opportunity, said it should retrace in this range and then take off. I mean, gave y'all a secondary opportunity during the live stream, completely free. Link down in the description for our free Telegram chat room. Make sure y'all in the chat room, y'all. I'm trying to make as many traders rich as hell as I can for free. For free. All right. So make sure y'all in the chat room. I broke down a lot of stuff in the live. These were all live streams where somebody asked me to look at a chart. So anything that I actually laid my eyes on this week and actually, considered it to go to a certain direction, anything I looked at this week, it turned into gold. Like just everything, every single trade. Yeah. So that was last week. Insane week. This week, we are going to be looking at pretty much continuations on a lot of these trades. So we'll kind of break these down together so I can show you kind of what I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and get started on what we're going to be looking at for this week, starting off with the DXY. So I'm going to go ahead and update all this. Crazy, bro. Crazy. If y'all are interested in learning how I trade, link down below to our website where you can find more information on our mentoring package. It is a lifetime package. Pay once, get one lifetime updates. Anytime I learn anything new, you get updates in the back office. So lifetime. So as I continue to progress in my career, you guys can continue to progress as well. So that's the beautiful part about my mentoring package. There's no, you got to keep paying every time I learn, or different stages or different things like that. Once you join the family, you're in, you know, you get a seat at the table. And as I continue to grow, level up, you level up with me. So get an all access pass to basically get rich with me. Link down below in the description. Let's start with the DXY. So structurally, we are, like I told y'all, we were going for an impulse corrective phase, and now we're in that impulsive phase. So this impulsive phase is not done. So it should not start to slow down or even stall until it gets into this range. So the beginning of next week, we're going to be looking at very small retracements and continuations towards the upside. Where do I see this retracing to? Now, generally, I want to see price action. If I'm going to buy it, I like to at least start looking inside of my premium. And then from there, anything inside of premium is going to interest me. So from that point, I start to break down the market. Now, I'm going to be looking at most likely. Now, I don't want a deep retracement, of course. And like I said, we're not expecting much of a retracement, so very small. So we really want the beginning, but most likely the tip of premium. And we're looking for confluence at that level. On the 4. Now, I do see a large mitigation on the 4, but I don't see it more on a lower scale that I would like to see. Hope y'all had a good week, man. I know a lot of my students made some good money this week, so I'm proud of y'all, man. Love seeing y'all win so much, man. Love seeing y'all win. I hate winning by myself, bro. So I just love seeing y'all eat. Love seeing y'all take advantage of what I'm giving y'all, because this is not normal. Not normal. Nothing on this channel is normal. The way y'all win, the way we tear these markets apart, it's not normal. It's not normal. So I love seeing y'all win, bro. It looks like we're going to be entering most likely off the tip of premium. Now, the whole mitigation is kind of the full range of premium that I'm seeing right now from here to here. But it looks like I'm most likely just going to be looking at probably the tip of premium, and just that'll be my more so balance. And then I'll be entering the market. Now, invalidation for me this week is going to be here at this low for the DXY. And we are going to be looking at price action to do something like this and a continuation towards the upside. Now, again, we are full on bullish on this. Okay. So it does not have to necessarily retrace down all the way here. It can just do a small retracement and continue all the way up to this area. I'm basically only interested in taking trades this week if it comes to my, ranges to where I can get a nice, risk to reward trade opportunity. So that's going to be the DXY this week. EURUSD. Now, I'm going to go ahead and delete this off of here just because I want a clean chart, and I like to see things clean when I'm, coming fresh into the market. We already know what this is. We already closed out and took profit on this as well. So money made. I hope y'all made money, bro. If y'all made some money, drop it down in the comments. Let me know. Spam the comments. I want to know if y'all winning with me, or y'all just watching these YouTubes and not making no money and just watching us make money. Like, I want to know. Drop it in the comments. Who all made some money this week? I better not have made no money by myself. All right. So EURUSD, what's understood don't have to be explained. We are deleting that off. I am expecting a little bit more of a movement down. Now, what I'm looking for this week is price action to tap into this range and give me a small retracement to mitigate, and then a continuation down. Now, once we form the low, then I'll be able to get some more accurate measurements. I'll keep y'all updated in the chat room, the Telegram chat room. Again, it's completely free. Link down below in the description. So make sure y'all join up. Once you click add or join the chat room, send me a message so then I can add you, or once I message you, make sure you respond back. We're most likely going to be looking into this range. Let's see. We are also forming a 5-wave sequence, gang. So we got a decent retracement on our hands coming soon. For those of y'all that don't know, I trade smart money concepts and Elliott Waves. So we are forming a 5-wave structure very soon. I am going on, well, I'm about to be 12 years in the game, y'all. So I've been trading for 11 years and it is about to be 12 years. So you guys are not being guided by a rookie, okay? As you guys can see, the way we annihilate the markets every single week. This goes for another week in the books, y'all. Hey, matter of fact, I'm on a winning streak. I don't even keep up with the weeks like that no more, but I don't know. It's somewhere like 7, maybe 6, 5. I don't know. We on a winning streak right now. I ain't like lost a week, like, you know, like a profitable week. And maybe like a month and a half. All year long, only 2 losing weeks this year. 2 losing weeks. Those 2 losing weeks, max 2 trades. When I start losing, I cut it off at 2 trades. So as you can see how my winning weeks go, this week it was plenty of trades, right? So every other week out of those 2 weeks this year have been winning weeks, multiple trades. So I don't even know what the record is, but we got to be like over 60 trades and maybe like 5 losses. It's insane right now. It is insane right now. So retracement, continuation down. I'm going to update y'all on this as the week goes by. So just, again, stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe. Most likely the Wednesday update will be, what we're looking at on this. I want to see a small retracement and continuation down. I just don't know how far it's going to come down. So this week, there's 2 options this week. So we can either do something like this, retrace, come back down, sweep the low, and then go for like a deeper retracement before continuing further down. Or wave 5 is going to form a little bit more extended towards the downside. But I do still expect a retracement and continuation down. This is going to be an inner structure on that retracement. So you're going to be looking at price action from a point of down here is where I would expect 5 to form. So this is actually where I expect the true 5 to form. So I don't even want y'all looking for it here. 5 should not form here. We will get the inner retracement here. And then from there, we're most likely going to see a double C for my students. Y'all know what that is. And then we will then be looking at another opportunity for a buying opportunity, maybe in about 2 weeks or so. So as y'all can see, I break down every single movement of the market. I trade basically the same DXY pairs almost every week. So I literally give y'all every single movement that these pairs do every single week. There's weeks where we don't trade and there's just no opportunity. This whole entire thing, 2 weeks, we didn't trade. There was a reason for the fact that we didn't trade. It's just I didn't see any opportunities. And as you can see, there was nothing going on in here. So when I see something, it's going to be something. Like, it just is what it is. And I can talk like this because I trade like this, Like, go look at all my YouTubes. I can talk like this because I back it up. And that's just, it is what it is. So I don't know anybody else that's like me in this market. I wish I had somebody like me when I was coming up as far as trading, because I would be rich as hell. As far as all the losses that I took, the shit that I studied that was just irrelevant, didn't matter, the wasted time. I'm talking about like maybe 5-6 years I wasted on just stuff that didn't even matter, So it's a blessing that y'all got me, man. So take advantage. So retracement this week, continuation down. This week, we're only focusing on the sell. So this week we're going to be selling this further down, but we want to get a retracement first. Okay. So again, this week, retracement, I'm not buying anything in here. Okay. I will not buy this in here. I'm only looking to sell and flow with the current market trend. Okay. So I'm looking for a retracement, continuation down. I will keep y'all updated as the week goes. GU, I don't have anything new on GBP USD. I do expect it to still head down into this range. Of course, retracement this week and then continuation down. Ultimately, I would like to see it take this low. But for now, this week, you would just be wanting to focus on retracement and a continuation down. It should pop down a little bit further down before retracing and then a continuation. But this week, further down. But I won't be trading this, so I'm going to be taking that off the list. AU. For those of y'all that don't know, this is one of my favorite pairs. This is a pair that carry me throughout most of my career. I very rarely lose on AUDUSD. It's just one of those, if you know, you know. I have not been giving her attention like I used to, but she's going to always be my baby, okay? As y'all can see. And I did print this out for y'all, letting y'all know that we are also forming a potential head and shoulders pattern for a continuation towards the downside. And this is a beautiful week, bro. I shared this on the live stream I also gave y'all an opportunity in the chat room to spam the comments, but y'all didn't get enough comments. So next time I tell y'all spam some comments, y'all better spam them comments so y'all can get some more trades. But beautiful. Another one. This week, we should be tapping into this range, retracement, and then continuation down. Let me go ahead and clear this up for y'all because I do think I want to ride this one again because it's very clear and I know what it's going to do. We are going to get a break and retest of this head and shoulders neckline and a continuation down. So that textbook movement we are going to get. So this week, you are going to be looking at a retracement in this range in our daily FVG and then a continuation up. I think also, y'all, I think I'm going to open up. I want another student, bro. I want another bootcamp student and I want somebody really dedicated. I really want to take somebody under my wing. So I'm always trying to find a student that's going to really take things serious and really just represent, everything that I've taught them and just take it to an extreme new level. So I'm probably going to open up, I'm going to do this for y'all because I haven't opened up one in almost like 4 or 5 months. But within the next 48 hours, I'm going to open up a bootcamp package for y'all, man. I'll do 72 hours till, what's today? So it's the 5th to the 9th. Y'all got to June 9th to hit me up on Telegram. I'm going to open up 2 bootcamp packages, 2 one-on-one bootcamp packages for y'all. So y'all got 4 days basically to hit me up if y'all are interested. And then I'll send y'all more information. So I'll take in 2 students. And this might be the only bootcamps or the rest that I might even be doing this year. So take advantage. But hit me up on Telegram. The link to the chat room is down below. You can just shoot a message in the chat room and then I'll get with you. But retracement this week, continuation towards the downside. Where am I looking for a retracement this week? This is the thing. This is going to be the same as USD. I need the low to form. So once the low forms, then I'll be able to give y'all an update. So most likely this week, y'all's midweek YouTube is going to be really key for y'all, because that's when we're going to have the low most likely form, and then we'll be able to see exactly where we want to pinpoint the market out for a continuation towards the downside. But overall, we're going to be looking at a retracement this week and a continuation back down, okay? And we are looking at price action to actually take this low down here. So this is going to be over the next few weeks. But this week, small retracement, continuation down, okay? I'll keep y'all updated on that. Now, NZDUSD, this is one that I do like as well. I need a little bit more time. Again, maybe wait till maybe like Monday, Tuesday, once the market slows down, and then we'll be able to kind of reassess everything. But this week, we're going to be looking at a retracement and then a continuation towards the downside. Let's see. Okay. So again, I don't want y'all trying to buy these. So I'm not focused on that. I'm focused on the sell. So we'll wait till the low establishes, but I'm going to be looking at, what is this? Okay. So retracement somewhere in, I would say ideally in this range, I'm going to be looking at a retracement this week for a continuation down. Again, midweek is going to be really nice for y'all. So make sure y'all tune in this week. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all don't miss that. Because that's when I'm going to be able to give y'all a more accurate viewpoint of where I would expect this to retrace to before continuing toward the downside, if it's going to give us a retracement. Now, one thing I don't like necessarily is the actual move. So basically from here to here, our premium is going to land us somewhere up here, and I don't expect that. So I probably won't be grabbing full measurements from this top. I might be grabbing from a different area. But again, I'll let y'all know as the week goes by. So this is going to be some of the main markers that I'm looking at for this week. Bitcoin, I do expect that to still continue further towards the downside. Again, target we were looking for is going to be around 54K to around 45K. I've been saying this for almost months. So as I showed y'all as the beginning. So we've been having some fun with Bitcoin. This has been I don't like it necessarily because of how long. When I'm analyzing this, it's clear for me on the daily. So you're talking about this is months. So it's not something I, prefer. But we broke all this down. We broke this damn sell down. Okay. So the whole movement, I called all of this. So I'm just playing ping pong. I'm just having my way with Bitcoin right now. It's the easiest thing to trade. But that's what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. And this week, these are going to be some of y'all's lineups. Anything else that I see this week, any extras or anything like that. As y'all know, I'll drop that midweek, or if we do a live stream, y'all can tap into that as well. Even UJ turned out really good as well. So this, we were just looking at overall an upside move long term on UJ. The market price action was just ugly as hell, so I really couldn't see the clearest price action on this, but I did expect this to head towards the upside. Same thing with USD CAD. All of these, and USD CHF, all of those should head up. And, you know, AU, GU, NU, EU, all of those should head down. So that's really all I got for y'all for this week, man. I hope y'all have a good week. Keep me updated as far as how y'all been doing in y'all's trading journey. Drop some comments down below if y'all made some money this week. Make sure y'all are subscribed. Make sure y'all are in the free Telegram chat room. That's where I put all of these updates for these trades. Again, it's completely free. And if you drop a comment down below on this video, that does enter you for the free mentoring giveaway that I am going to be doing in 4 weeks from now. So rest of the year, I'm doing free package giveaways. I'm giving away free trades, free education. I'm trying to help y'all as much as I can to take y'all to the next level. If you don't want to take your chances waiting on a free giveaway, you got our website down below. If you're ready to change your life today, you know, take everything to the next level, hit me up. I got y'all. Again, I'm opening 2 bootcamp packages. I got 4 days to hit me up. After that, I'm pretty much going to continue to enjoy the rest of, you know, I'm going, like I told you, I'm going in retirement. So I'm going to continue to, you know, enjoy my life. So other than that, I'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a great week. Trade safe, and I will talk to y'all soon.